Most automation testers know Selenium, but very few actually practice real automation problem statements. And as we say, that by doing the practice problem statements only, you can increase your automation skill set in reality. In this series, we will solve real world UI automation challenges using Selenium with Java. No tutorials, no frameworks, just pure problem solving practice. If you are planning to follow this series step by step, comment start in the comment section. Hi everyone, my name is Abhishek from Corporate IT Education, and let me show you how and where we are going to target this. So there is an organization called Tricentis who has made this tool called Tosca, which is a low code, no code tool, but we are going to use the same problem statements for practicing our Selenium with Java. So just search for Tosca obstacles and you will navigate to this link. Don't worry about the links. I'm going to provide everything in the description so you can pick it from there as well. You just hover over this and click on obstacle list. And here you will be able to see around 40 problem statements for you to try your automation skill set. Now, how these problem statements are structured is they are neatly categorized into easy, medium, hard, and these are very progressive in nature. Each level adds more complexity, and the idea is to improve your automation thinking step by step as you solve them. That's why this website is very perfect for hands-on automation practice. Just to make it little bit easier, what I have done is I have created an Excel sheet where I have mentioned all the problem statements based on the difficulty mode order. And in case you would like to keep a track of all these problem statement solution, you can download this from the link which I'm going to provide in the comment section, and you can track your progress as well. How this is going to be structured is that we are going to solve one problem statement at a time, and uh, I'm going to keep adding more and more videos in the series as I solve each and every problem statements one by one. If this kinds of hands-on automation practice helps you, make sure you subscribe to the channel. New problem statements will be added regularly and the Excel sheet will also be updated as we progress. Let's get started with the next problem in the next video. Thank you very much and welcome to this series.